going? My name's Shaggy Holmes. I'm an independent session drummer from Northern Ireland. I've been playing drums 24 years, thereabouts. And for 12 of those years I was in a signed indie rock band. We were signed to Collision Records. We were called Furlough. We toured, played festivals, you name it, we done it. We had the joys of recording in illustrious studios such as Einstein, Komodo and Westland Studios, to name a few, where Ozzy Osbourne and Phil Lynott from Thin Lizzy recorded tracks. So it was pretty cool being a part of history. So the cat is out of the bag now. I am now a Collision artist. I play the Collision 5As. They are longer than your standard 5A. They are 16 and a half stick, and they feel fantastic in your hand. They're very durable. They also have a lovely butt to them. They feel great, and the butt feels great in the palm of your hand. If you're laying into a cymbal, they're articulate. They're great on the right cymbal. I don't also play I just play these. I play the 5AR as well, which is the 5A Reach. They are 16 by 7/8, if I'm not mistaken. These are fantastic. I'll be playing these on different gigs. Like I say, I'm a producer now and a session drummer. I've featured on different artists from Rosa to Paul McVeigh to Fire and Wine, to name a few. There's plenty more, and there will be plenty more to come. So I just want to say thank you to Christy and all the people involved at Collision for taking me on. And now I'm going to go and make some noise, so I hope you enjoy it. Thank you again, and I'm Shaggy Holmes and I play Collision Drumsticks. Peace.
Why so serious? Sticks the blade in my mouth. Let's put a smile on that face.